This is a H4 globe. This is how you're gonna get 50% better brightness. I'm also gonna be showing you how to level up your headlights so that they're not blaring people's faces, okay? This is gonna be a bit of an at-home DIY, but if you wanna do it properly, you need a machine. First, we need to get the old ones out. So pretty simply in this car, in the NP300s, obviously you got the bulb here and here. It's gonna be a bit tough for me to do this side, so you can't really see what I'm doing here, but there's a bulb. Now there'll be a little rubber cap that you probably need to pull off. So because this is so tight in here, this is a difficult job, to be honest. If you have a look in here, behind all this mess, these wires here, there's 3 wires here. So you can go ahead and take this off. Take this black cap off. Okay, and it's going to expose this. So, okay, so there is a little pin here. You can grab the globe out. Okay, so there is a little, there's this little pin that we have to slide back and forth, okay? There we go, so just like that. That's the new bulb in. Sorry, this is a bit shit of an angle, but alright, so once you have it like this, you should be good. The adjustment for the level is just here. I'll show you that in a second. I'm just going to do the other side. So you can see here, that's the light. So this one, after some battle, I finally got them in. So you see one in there, one in there. Obviously, this side was totally shit. So now I'm going to point them down probably about 2 inches, because I've got about a 2-inch lift, so 2 inches down. And the way we're going to do this is, you can see right there, that's a 10mm, and you'll see the light go up and down. A good way to do this is have garage door closed, and obviously get 10mm spanner, and you'll be able to see it go up and down. So you want a 10mm. Now this guy only keeps Imperials. 10mm spanner, and put your garage door down so it's a flat surface. You're probably better off doing this at night time, to be honest, but you can see, you might be able to see here. So this is probably too high right now. You can see there's a car of my, when I'm driving behind someone, the car's too high. So you can see right now, this one is higher than this one. So I'm going to try to bring this one down a bit, about like that. Now that's in level with that. So now we're going to go do a night test of how good these headlights flood up. If you do want to grab an Auxito unit yourself, it'll be the first link in the description. You should be able to use code HUME4x4 for a discount. Let's go test this in the dark. So it's a little bit hard to see me because it is dark, but I did go on a road test and I probably put them down a little bit too much. So I know I said before it was like 20mm or 2-inch I dropped it way too low. So this is kind of like, it looks pretty good here, but when I was on the road, I could only see like 5 meters in front of me, and then it was dark. So probably need to lift it up a little bit more and then go ahead and see how it looks. I still don't want to blind people. I can go to my workshop and get the actual tool, which is a laser projector that you put onto the headlights, and you can actually see the exact level where it's supposed to be. But for the most part, I'm happy with how well they did. So obviously we got that. This is my daytime running lights right now, and then we got the low beam. This is just my parkers, which is nothing, and then obviously the low beam, and then that is my high beams. So That's what I'm seeing most of the time. You can see it's pretty much too low. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this episode. Just a quick one, I thought I'd chuck her in. Tomorrow I'm going on a road trip solo camping, so stay tuned for Tuesdays and Fridays episode. Once again, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll catch you later. Peace.